Your front door does more than welcome guests. It protects your home, boosts curb appeal, and helps maintain indoor comfort. Over time, however, even the highest quality entry doors begin to show wear. For many Sumter homeowners, recognizing the early signs can save money, improve safety, and increase home value. If you're wondering whether it's time for an upgrade, here are the most common indicators your home needs an entry door replacement. Drafts or temperature changes near the door. One of the first warning signs is feeling a draft near the entryway. If you notice warm air entering during Sumter's hot summers or chilly pockets forming during colder months, your door may no longer be sealing properly. Weather stripping can wear down, and older doors often warp from years of humidity and direct sun exposure. When the door no longer provides a tight fit, your HVAC system has to work harder, increasing your monthly energy bills. A new, energy-efficient entry door helps maintain indoor comfort and reduces wasted energy. Difficulty opening or closing the door. A healthy door should open and close smoothly. If you find yourself pushing, pulling, or adjusting the door just to get it to latch, something is wrong. Warping, swelling, and frame damage are common in South Carolina's fluctuating weather conditions. Constant sticking or grinding is a clear sign the structural integrity of your door or frame has been compromised. Replacing the door improves daily convenience and prevents additional strain on hinges and locks. Visible cracks, rust, or surface damage. Exterior doors take a beating from the elements. Sun exposure, moisture, and temperature changes can cause wood doors to crack and peel or metal doors to rust and corrode. These issues aren't just cosmetic. Cracks and rust can weaken the door's strength, making your home more vulnerable to intrusion. If the damage keeps returning even after repairs, a replacement door is often the smarter long-term choice. Rising energy bills. If your energy bills seem higher than usual, your entry door could be partly to blame. Old or damaged doors allow conditioned air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to cycle more frequently. Energy-efficient modern entry doors include insulated cores and advanced sealing systems that help stabilize indoor temperatures. Many Sumter homeowners notice lower utility bills almost immediately after upgrading. Moisture between glass panes. If your entry door includes decorative glass, look for fogging or moisture trapped between panes. This is a sign that the seal has failed, causing the insulating barrier to break down. Not only does this make the glass appear cloudy, it also reduces insulation, contributing to energy loss. A replacement door with updated glass technology will give you clearer views and better efficiency. Outdated appearance or fading exterior. Your entry door is one of the first things people notice about your home. If the paint is fading, the style feels dated, or the door no longer complements your exterior, it may be time for a change. A modern, stylish entry door can dramatically improve curb appeal and even boost property value. Many homeowners in Sumter choose updated designs that enhance both appearance and durability. Reduced security or worn hardware. If the locks feel loose, the hinges are weakening, or the door no longer feels sturdy, safety becomes a concern. Today's entry doors offer high-strength materials, multi-point locking systems, and improved impact resistance. Upgrading ensures your home has the level of security your family deserves. Upgrade your Sumter entry door with confidence. Replacing your entry door offers more than aesthetic benefits. It improves safety, efficiency, and peace of mind. If you've noticed any of these warning signs, now is the perfect time to explore durable, stylish options designed for the Sumter climate. A new entry door can transform your home's comfort and curb appeal while delivering lasting performance.